Do you want to earn money online without breaking a sweat? In today's video, we're going to talk about effortless online income, how beginners can earn $100 per day or more. We'll be exploring 5 lazy ways you can start making money online with minimal effort. From freelancing to AI-powered Shopify stores, you learn how to generate income without putting in too much energy. Make sure to show Luxo-Life some love and let's get started. Freelancing. The first way is freelancing. It's a great choice for beginners who want to make money online. Freelancing lets you choose the projects you want to work on and set your own schedule, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere. If you already have a computer with internet access, you don't need much more to get started. You can jump into freelancing quickly and start offering services in areas you're skilled in, whether it's writing, graphic design, or web development. However, freelancing isn't exactly effortless. While the flexibility is appealing, it takes time to build up your skills and start making good money. You'll need to invest time in learning the ropes, building a portfolio, and attracting clients. Unlike other methods, freelancing requires you to constantly put in effort to maintain a steady stream of work. The income can be inconsistent at first, so it's important to be prepared for a bit of a grind while you grow your reputation. That said, the low startup cost is a huge advantage. You don't need to spend a lot of money to begin freelancing, just your time and effort. This makes it an ideal option if you're on a budget but still want to start earning money online. Since you're working for yourself, there's also no need to worry about being tied to a specific company or location. You can choose how much you want to work and when, which gives you a lot of control over your life and your income. In the end, freelancing can be a solid way to make money online, especially if you're willing to put in the work. It's not the laziest method, but it's one that can be rewarding as you grow your skills and client base. If you're looking for flexibility and control over your time, freelancing could be a great place to start your online income journey. Affiliate marketing. The second way is affiliate marketing, wherein you can earn passive income by promoting other people's products. It's a simple, low-risk option for beginners looking to make money online. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about customer service or managing inventory. All you need to do is promote products using unique affiliate links, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. This makes it an attractive choice for those who want to earn money without the hassle of dealing with customers directly. The best part about affiliate marketing is that the learning curve is pretty short. You don't need to be an expert to get started, and you can begin earning relatively quickly. Plus, it's highly scalable. Once you understand how to promote one product, you can easily expand to promoting multiple products, increasing your chances of earning more. Whether it's through blogs, social media, or YouTube, there are plenty of ways to reach an audience and drive sales. While you can technically start affiliate marketing with little to no investment, putting in a small amount, around $250, can help you create quality content to promote the products. This could go towards setting up a website, running ads, or creating engaging videos or posts that capture people's attention. This minimal upfront cost helps you stand out and grow faster, making affiliate marketing a low-risk, high-reward option for beginners. If you're looking for a simple and stress-free online business model, affiliate marketing could be the perfect fit. With its low risk, high scalability, and potential for passive income, it's an appealing way to make money online. Once you get the hang of it, affiliate marketing offers a great way to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. eBay Shop. Third is the eBay shop, a great option for beginners who want to start making money online. Setting up your own eBay shop is relatively simple and offers a hands-on approach to running an online business. You can sell just about everything, from second-hand items to new products you source and resell. Unlike some other methods, it doesn't require a huge upfront investment, making it perfect for those looking to get started on a budget. While setting up an eBay shop is beginner-friendly, it does come with its own challenges. You'll need to manage inventory and source products, which takes some time and effort. But the good news is, you can start small and gradually build your product offerings as you get the hang of things. You don't have to go all in at first. You can test the waters and see what works before expanding your shop. What makes eBay a great option is that it's a low-risk business model compared to others. You don't need to invest heavily up front, and if something doesn't sell, you're not stuck with massive losses. Plus, with eBay's large built-in audience, you have the potential to reach millions of potential buyers right from the start. It's a solid way to make money without taking on too much risk or complexity. Airbnb arbitrage. Fourth is the Airbnb arbitrage because it lets you generate passive income by renting properties and subletting them on B&B. This method works especially well in tourist-heavy areas or business districts where people are always looking for short-term rentals. It's a scalable business model that allows you to expand quickly by adding more properties to your portfolio. With the right tools like Guesty, managing bookings and guest communication can be streamlined, making it easier to handle multiple properties at once. However, Airbnb arbitrage isn't exactly the easiest or laziest method out there. It does require a significant initial investment, usually between $5,000 to $15,000 to secure properties and set everything up. While you're not directly purchasing the properties, you're still putting money down to rent them and set them up for short-term stays. So, while it offers great potential for passive income, it does come with a higher financial risk than other methods. Once you've secured the properties, there's still work involved. You'll need to handle property management, dealing with guests, ensure the place is clean and maintained, and respond to any issues that come up. This takes time and effort, which makes Airbnb arbitrage a bit more demanding than simpler online methods like affiliate marketing or freelancing. It's not completely hands-off, and you'll need to be prepared for the responsibilities that come with running rental properties. Overall, Airbnb arbitrage is a great option if you're looking for high scalability and are ready to invest both time and money into managing the properties. The high initial investment and ongoing property management make it less lazy than some other methods, but the potential for profit is definitely there if you're willing to put in the work. If you enjoy the idea of real estate and have the capital to invest, this could be a profitable venture for you. AI-built Shopify store, the winning method. Lastly, the AI-built Shopify store is one of the most beginner-friendly and low-risk ways to generate passive income. With just a minimal upfront investment of $1 for Shopify and 99 cents for the AutoD DS trial, you can have your own fully automated online store up and running. This method is perfect for anyone who wants to get into e-commerce without the stress of managing inventory or dealing with complicated logistics. What makes this method stand out is its simplicity. Once your store is set up, most of the work is automated. You don't need influencer status, a huge following, or a significant investment to get started. The system takes care of most of the operations, leaving you with very little hands-on involvement. This means you can generate income passively, while you focus on other things or simply enjoy your free time. The scalability of an AI-built Shopify store is another huge benefit. Since the system is automated, you can easily add more products to your store and reach a larger audience without having to do much extra work. It's a hands-off business model that grows with you, and as long as you continue to drive traffic to your site, there's a lot of potential to earn passive income. In conclusion, the AI-built Shopify store is a great option for beginners who want to start an online business with minimal effort and risk. It's scalable, automated, and does not require a large upfront investment or constant involvement. If you're looking for a simple, low-maintenance way to earn money online, this method could be the perfect fit for you. And that's how you can earn money without putting in too much effort. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite method or the one you'd like to try, and share this video with others who are looking to earn income with less work. If you're new to Luxo-Life, subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss an update. See you next time, Luxo lovers!